Hey, we're Adam and Brittany Fenimore with Moon Fabrications, and this video is all about our moon anchors. The MoonShade is designed to work on pretty much any vehicle, and choosing your anchors is key to helping you stay cool.
Each MoonShade now comes with 2 heavy-duty suction cup anchors and 2 of our original smaller suction cups. We'll cover the suction cups more in depth later in this video. Additionally, each corner of the shade has a flat carabiner that hooks into any custom or DIY anchor you might come up with, so you're getting a lot of options right out of the box.
Let's give you a quick overview of all of our additional anchors that we offer in addition to the suction cups.
If you're looking for a more permanent solution, you'll want to check out our adhesive moon anchors.
If you have a roof rack or want to get creative, you'll want to learn more about the Night Eyes gear ties we carry.
If you want to learn more about the original anchor we launched the MoonShade with, you'll want to check out our temporary magnet anchors.
If you drive an RV with a 3/8-inch awning rail, we have anchors that will fit your roof rail for a plug-and-play solution. Finally, if you drive a Mercedes Sprinter or have an Airstream base camp, we have some custom anchors that will work for your existing roof rails on our website as well.
Thank you for watching.